Good morning, everyone. This is a demonstration of using Max's MIRA on an iPad to repitch a score that you're working on. In this case, I'm using Sibelius. Sibelius has to be the topmost application, and MIRA is running right now on an iPad. As you can see, I'm switching between two modes, chords and scales, and I've got the output of these functions running into Sibelius through MIDI port from Max 1. So if I play this now, it's just single pitches. As you can hear, some notes are tied. And now I'd like to repitch this. Now if I did this by hand, I would have a keyboard and I would do Option Shift N, and I would start typing new notes on the keyboard. But instead, I'm going to feed it in from my iPad. So let's say I want to do F sharp minus 7. I'm just going to click on it. Click it again. Now everything has become F sharp minor 7 around that pitch class. Now you notice one thing, an issue with ties. So to fix that, hit Escape, click on the notes that used to be tied, and just hit repeat, and that will fix that problem. Again, I'm hitting the repeat key for any ties. Let's make some eighth notes here. Maybe like this. Some eighth notes. And maybe a couple of rests. Okay, maybe a rest there. And possibly there. Okay, let's repitch this using a scale. So Option N, Option Shift N to get that dotted line. I'm switching my iPad to scales, and I'm going to put this into F minor. Now in this case it went beyond the end, so I could just do undo a few times to fix that. Getting repitched from a MIRA iPad function button, which is coming from Max. Let me just show you Max real quick. So I've got two MIRA tabs. You can have multiple MIRA tabs. If I look at the patching mode, you can see I'm using two packages which came with Max called cage.scale and cage.arpeggio to manufacture these scales and arpeggios, and then I'm just putting them inside a MIRA pad. And let's go back here. Oh, to fix Sibelius's ranges within, let's say you have grand staff here, but you don't like the way it looks, very easy fix. Just select the affected systems. You make sure you're in note input mode, go to plugins, change split point. I usually use the defaults. And we get it in the correct octave. So now we've had pitches applied from a MIRA Max object into Sibelius on a Macintosh on the same network. And again, the reason why you need to use MIRA to do something like this from Max is the Sibelius or the Finale object window has to be on top to receive the MIDI inputs from a device. So it has to be the frontmost window. In this case, I'm just reflecting my iPad here onto the Mac so you can see it. Right? You could take this this idea as far along as you want. You could make your own custom patterns. So it's a quick way to engage pitch classes into your scoring project. Very useful. Hope you enjoyed this one, and good luck with your studies. Talk to you later.